Hey there, are you a preschool owner wondering how to make your admission kit stand out and wow every parent who walks in? In this video, I'll show you exactly what an ideal preschool admission kit should include, not just to impress, but to educate, engage, and build long-term relationship with your parents. And yes, I will also tell you how to actually get these made within your budget. I am Rishi Das Agarwal, founder of Exploralearn. Over the last 9 years, we have worked with schools across India to create custom designed activity kits, not just for learning but for moments that really matter, like admissions. Now, when it comes to admission kits, there are usually two ways schools go about it. Number one, you give everything together, like books, uniforms, and activities, right at the time of admission. Another option is you hand over a separate activity kit just for the child. Now, let's be real, uniforms and books, parents expect those. But do you know what truly stands out? A thoughtfully designed kit filled with engaging activities. Something that brings a smile to the child's face and builds trust with the parent on day one. Now, that's what a great kit does. It becomes your school's first promise. So, let's break it down. What should your preschool admission kit include? Engaging games that are visually attractive, thoughtfully designed, and branded with your school's name. These create an instant connect with the child. Maximum activities. How many activities can you fit in your kit? 4, 5, why not 10? Try to include as many as your budget allows. And here is a tip, mix it up: wooden games, foam activities, and paper based games. Keep it fun, interactive, and affordable. Educational and skill building activities. Parents love kits that go beyond play. So include brain boosters, logic puzzles, fine motor challenges. Make it aligned with NEP 2020 policy and global best practices. Also ensure do not give activities which are available in market. Never put in toys that are easily available online or in local stores. Parents know they will think, oh, the school just bought this from Amazon. So avoid that. Give them something they can't find anywhere else. Your own branding. This is huge. Your kit should scream your school's identity. Every card, every activity, every folder should carry your brand name. Branding builds trust, recall, and emotional connect with parents. I know now you must be thinking how to get these activities made, and that too within my budget. Now that's where we come in. At Exploralearn, we have created hundreds of unique activities across all age groups. And yes, we can work with any budget. Need branding? Done. Want custom themes? No problem at all. Need something totally new? We'll design and manufacture it just for you. So now you have got the power to create something truly memorable for every child who joins your school. If you want a brochure or a free sample kit, just drop us a WhatsApp. The number is given in the description below. And hey, if this video helped, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on our next school focused ideas.